Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. Here's how to resolve BBC iPlayer error code 02050. First, open the App Store or Play Store and check if there's any update available for BBC iPlayer. If updating doesn't fix it, go to your device settings, then General, then Storage. Find the BBC iPlayer app, offload it, and reinstall it. If you're on Android, instead of offloading, just clear the cache and data. This usually solves the issue quickly. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more quick tech fixes.